Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today, I just made another order for at theyoungandreckless.com. This is not sponsored by them at all. It's just that the quality has gone down. And this is something that's pretty disappointing for me because this is something, this is a hoodie that I've been wearing everywhere. This was and still is my favorite hoodie everywhere. It says, "Thank you for staying away," and on the front it says, "Keep your distance." I think it's like a good message. I don't like being bothered. I like having this on. It's like classic black. It had nice raised lettering. Has nice raised lettering. You can like feel that here. And the black was nice, crispy and black. But I got this in 2020. So I may just be like upset at the fact that I can't get this exact one, and I'll never be able to get this exact one again. And that's because I just received my newest one. I just want to see, like, can you tell what is the difference of this one compared to this one? Is it easy to see? It's basically the lettering. It's also other parts of this as well, but you can see here. This is basically, what is this called? Screen print? Like that is just what the quality is. There's nothing raised about it. It's inset, like not inset, but it's literally just, there's no definition. There's no like 3D pop on this thing. And it's just disappointing. It's now a more flat, what I kind of feel is a lighter weight fabric too. Yeah. It is definitely a lighter weight fabric. This one, all right, also, wait, let me just see here because this is something I saw earlier. I just want to make sure if the blacks are as crisp as they were before. It does not want to focus on this. This is the old one, this is the new one. This one feels a little bit stiff, but then again, I've washed this a lot of times, and in my eyes, it looks to be a little bit more black than the new one. But you know, maybe this one just needs to be loosened up. But just definitely, it is based upon two different pieces. Let's see, this one is Cotton Heritage. This is the new one. The old one, which I have actually no idea what this is about. Oh man. The hood. The hood has some nice softness on the... Oh wow. This one is actually... Is this their own brand? YR Young and Reckless Medium. 80% cotton, 20% polyester. Made in Pakistan, machine wash, tumble dry, but you can feel this is what is on the inside. Yeah, definitely. Wait, is there that fleece on the inside here? It's such a thin, this is such a disappointment. All right, my point is here. I would pay more. Inflation, it's been 3 years, 2.5 years since I got this in 2020. When did I actually purchase this? It was June 13th, 2020. I was like, this is going to be relevant for a little bit. So I got it. I got 2 of them, I believe, and I love these things so much. The weight of it was perfect. The look of it was perfect. It felt nice. It felt like a higher quality product than what I paid for at the time, which was $34.95. This was like my go-to. And again, need to get a new one because it's just getting old. And again, I would pay more, significantly more to get the product because now these go for $39.90, I believe. And that's down, quote, as a sale from $44.95, but it's always that price. But for me, I don't want this one. I want this, and I would pay probably up to maybe $59.99 for something like this, better quality, that would just last me as long as this has. Again, this has lasted me 2.5 years of wearing this primarily, it's just disappointing. I, again, would pay for that quality, and I think other people would too. You can have different tiers. You can have something that's like a lesser tier like this, which is now $40. And hey, that's acceptable, but I want that next tier to keep that quality up because that's what I was really looking for. I wrote them, I showed them the difference between quality. I mean, of course, it's been years. They're going to switch manufacturers. The cost of things is just going up, and they probably just wanted to keep that price point. But for me, it's really, really was advertised as kind of the same product because as I remember, it has just that same basic look of the product. But now I do believe this one, the new one, is, what is it? 65% cotton, 35% polyester. That old one was 80-20 split. That's a huge difference, guys. May not sound a lot, but this is just like, it feels lightweight, it feels less significant than the other one. It just bums me out. Maybe this may be just time passing by, but when you order something and you see the exact same thing, because who knows, this could have been like a limited release and they were thinking, hey, pandemic's been gone a few months and we won't have to deal with this anymore. But it still stayed as one of my favorites just to wear. And obviously it stayed relevant enough and popular enough for them to keep it on their website while cycling through different patterns as well. It's just quality went down. I myself, I guess I could have looked more into, hey, this is a different split on the quality, but hey, wait a second. Yeah, so it has 100% cotton face. I guess that's the outer shell, and the inside is 65% cotton, 35% polyester, as they say. I guess that's just what it is. Now, just to feel. All right, I have this jersey on underneath. Let's see if this feels similar. Whoa, this feels tight. Whoa, okay. It's gonna have to be loosened up a little bit. I don't wear super baggy products, but wow, whoa. Look at that. This is insane. All right, this is a medium. I wear a medium here. This is unacceptable. Look at that. And also, by the way, this is listed as final sale, and you know me. I am definitely going to be going after them about this. Medium, the medium that they had before is not the same medium. So this is how I wear it, but you know, hey, this, like, look at this. It's like a child size. And then now, and even this one should have shrunk as well, because this is something I've been washing in heat, tumbling with heat. Now let me see. Yeah. Look at that. This is here. Now I did just wear this for about a week, so these things tighten up when you wash them. But yeah, it's shorter. Like that new one is definitely shorter. It feels it. This feels more robust. Something that I can definitely, oh man, this one feels, well, I love this one, so I'm extremely biased against this particular one. But yeah, just kind of walking around, feeling that same kind of weight. I like this one so much. We're gonna try on the new one just one more time, just to feel how this one feels. Maybe we gotta shake this out. Because I want to give this the benefit of the doubt. I mean, we know that this is a different product from the other one, but how different is it? We'll see. Yeah, this is tight. This is something that, oh wow. What do you guys think about the different feel? I mean, this is a much cleaner one. just feels tight. It just feels like it hasn't been worn. Again, maybe this needs to be stretched out, but wow, this feels like a completely different product, and it's disappointing. Wait a second. This one has started to fray too. Oh look, metal caps or plastic caps. I believe plastic. Guys, you couldn't get plastic. And just kind of, oh, this is worse. This is considerably worse. And I see final sale on here. We're not gonna let this go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wait until I get like an official response from this. This video will probably come out maybe about a week after I create this. I'm gonna wait to see if I have to film something else. If this ends just like this is just the result, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video. But if I get a response from them, I'm gonna tack it on after this just to make sure that we have something, that we get something figured out, because wow, I am completely disappointed, because I just wanted to re-up on my favorite hoodie, something that felt so good, perfect weight, nice lettering. This isn't it. This is just not it. All right, guys, there may be like another little part, but otherwise, put everything in the comment section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and there may be another part, or maybe this is it.